This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone camera not working after iOS update. So if you're having this issue, you can follow these easy steps to fix it. The first solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of glitches. So give a simple restart and then try to reopen your camera and check the issue. The second solution is check hardware test for camera. Go to your App Store and search for check my device and install this software and open it. And now scroll down and tap on camera test. Tap on OK. And if you see black screen, it means your camera has an issue. In order to repair, you have to update your iPhone. So go to settings and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage and search for any new update. Then tap on update and then check the issue. The fourth solution is tap and hold the camera app. Tap on remove app. Tap on remove from home screen. Now go to your app library and long press on camera. Tap on add to home screen and then try to reopen your camera and check the issue. The fifth solution is go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down. Tap on privacy and security. Tap on camera and here make sure to enable all options and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. To do that, go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.